In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create typography motion graphics animation in Canva. We'll build a clean, attention-grabbing typewriter effect that's perfect for intros, announcements, or quick social posts, and we'll do it entirely with Canva's built-in tools. First, head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so your work saves as you go. Starting from the homepage, open the templates section, then choose Poster. Select Create Blank to start with a fresh canvas. A poster-size layout gives you plenty of room to design and keeps the focus on your message, which is exactly what we want for bold typography animation. On the left sidebar, click Text, then choose Add Heading. Type in your content. Keep it concise and direct. Shorter phrases animate more clearly and are easier to read at a glance. Think of it like a headline: strong words, limited clutter, and an idea that lands quickly. If you have multiple ideas, consider phrasing them as one short statement so the animation feels intentional. Click on the text box to select it. Then in the top toolbar, choose Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel where all the motion presets live. Scroll through the options until you find Typewriter and click it. With Typewriter applied, your text will appear character by character, creating that classic typing look that naturally draws the eye and adds energy to simple words. Look to the left side panel for the animation settings. Here you can adjust the speed to control the pacing of the typing. A slower speed builds anticipation and makes dramatic headlines feel cinematic. A faster speed is snappy and great for punchy statements. Just move the slider until the timing fits your message. In the same panel, choose how the animation behaves. Set it to on enter if you want the text to type in when the page starts. This is ideal for openings, titles, or moments where you want immediate attention. Or select on both to animate on the way in and on the way out. This setting works well when your text needs to appear and then exit with style, keeping the motion consistent throughout. And that's it. You've created a clear, effective typography motion graphics animation in Canva using a blank poster, a heading, and the typewriter preset. Keep your message focused, choose a pace that matches your tone, and let the effect do the heavy lifting. This simple workflow gives you a professional look with minimal steps ready to use in intros, announcements, and more.